we have a paper airplane circuit race that we're going to do today. So, how this works is you're going to get one other person. So we have two people here. We're going to do a race. We're going to choose our starting point. Right now we're in the gym, so we're going to start on this sideline. What we're going to get to is we're going to go all the way across the gym. We need to end at the bleachers or the wall. First person to get there is the winner. Okay, so how it works is we will say a ready, set, go. On go, Rachel and I both need to create our paper airplane. As soon as our paper airplane is made, we're going to stand up, throw the paper airplane, wherever it lands, then we have to go to that spot. But we have to do it without running. So we can hop to it, skip to it, twirl to it, whatever it is, we just can't run to the spot that it lands on. So, are we ready to try this?
I guess so.
All right, so we're going to show you how to do a paper airplane. Making a paper airplane today for our paper airplane circuit race. So step one, you're going to take your plain piece of paper here, you're going to fold it in half, then you're going to open that back up. You're going to take the top two corners on each side, you're going to want to fold those right to the middle. So that was step two. Step three, you're going to take another fold, you want to fold it right in line with the middle again. You're going to do that on both sides. All right, then you're going to fold it back right on that middle line. Then the last fold that you're going to make is you're going to try and fold your wing down on each side. I try and keep mine right in line with my piece of paper. I go to the other side. Fold that down. And at the end, I'm going to open that bad boy up. I'm going to make sure I got a pretty straight tip, and you got yourself a paper airplane.
Ready, set, go.
That's how it's done.